Hey, this is Jayant here, and this is probably my first vlog. I was wondering how do I create more content on YouTube, and my fiance she suggested, hey, why don't you just vlog about it? The reason why I'm not so active nowadays on YouTube is like I'm pretty busy with working with our consulting. I have to fulfill, and what she recommended, hey, why don't you just follow what Gary Vee does? Just document your journey. So yeah, this is me trying my first attempt on documenting my journey. And today what I'm doing is, like, as you can see, in my workstation right now, sorry for the messy office in the background. I just finished recording a YouTube video where I covered 4 different methods of lead generation. So I'll be publishing that first, then I'll publish this blog, so I can put it on the I button somewhere here, wherever it is, right? क्या सुशांत, जगह नहीं मिल रहा तुमको?
नहीं, इतना जगह है तो बैठने के लिए, मतलब कौन सी जगह कहाँ बैठना है?
नीचे बैठ जाओ चटाई पे।
मुझे तो सॉल्यूशन नहीं है।
So yeah, let's go to the gym. I have my shoes and socks here. This is my gym bag. I'll just take it, start working out. All right, so this is probably my most favorite time of the month because here I get software credit, or like Audible audiobook credit. So if you subscribe to Amazon Audible, you'll get one book to read or listen to every single month. So right now, if I were to show you my library, I'm reading Oversubscribed by Daniel Presley, and I wanted to read some more Daniel Presley novels. I mean, not novels, I would say his, uh, you know, his books. I'll go with this key person of influence. So I'll just get it, and boom, we got it. So yeah, we got our book today, which is Key Person of Influence. So I finished Oversubscribed last month, and I was so itching to get back to one more book by Daniel Presley, because this guy, he explains supply and demand in such a beautiful way that I feel like every business owner should absolutely listen to this. This is a literal gold in itself. Hey, what is up, guys? I just finished the work, shut down my computer. So, what did I do today? After I went for workout, we had a barrage of consultation calls. I was on the call since 3 p.m. and right now the time is 8:30. So now is the time to go back home. Thinking to have shawarma for dinner. I love shawarma. But anyways, I was thinking about this a lot because right now we are building our product along with the consulting to help build the SOP. We're basically building SOPs for people. And what I realize more and more is that I would take a sales breakdown over a fulfillment breakdown any day of the week, because it's just so much harder to fulfill. Because if you don't fulfill and don't transform the lives of your customers, then, well, your retention goes down, your reputation goes down, फिर sales का क्या ही कर लोगे, right? So anyways, that's the takeaway from this vlog for the day. I'll come back tomorrow, record some more, and give you the updates on how the business is running. Thank you very much.